Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. Today we'll be taking a look at this MulWark countersink drill bit set, 5-piece. Here are all the sizes that's included in this. This has lifetime warranty too. Let's open this up here. Now this set goes for about $26 off Amazon. Here are all the bits, replaceable drill bits, and an Allen wrench. That way, if I ever need to replace it, I can just use this Allen wrench, loosen it, then I can take this out. Let's test it out here. This used to be a piece of 2x4. See how it digs into it? Back it up. This way, when I drill in a screw, it'll be more flush. Nearly flush. This is the first time I'm using a countersink drill bit, and I really like the look of this. It saves time. Very easy to use. Glad that it came with replacements. And just $26. I'll place the link to this in the description below. Overall, I like this a lot and I would recommend it. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to contact me. Bye.